Hello guys, it's Franco's birthday and he is 10 years old now. And the surprise ko because sa during the dinner, nag-iyak po siya. So I don't know what happened to him. Maybe because na tired lang siya doon sa pag light na mag-candle ganina sa church kasi masyadong mainit, and then he was okay naman, and I think ayaw din niya magsuot ng sando kaya siya medyo na-moody dyan. And then nagluto kami ng spaghetti which is kinain nila una, so kung ano na lang yung nasobra yun na lang din ang kinain namin during the dinner. So thank you always Jan and his friend J-Poy for coming. Hindi nila alam na birthday pala ni Franco, which is thankful din kami at meron kaming bisita always kasi usually kami lang, si Ronald, long time girlfriend ng anak ko. So kami lang jud na siya. So very simple lang kayo ang birthday ni Franco. Which is he deserve more. He deserve a birthday, but it's only what we can afford at the moment. So thank you Lord for all the blessings that you have given us. And thank you na kahit paano nakapag-celebrate po kami ng birthday. So here guys, finally, ito lang talaga yung nalagay namin sa table. It's because nag-pre-eat na kami kanina. So while we're cooking, at the same time nag-eat kami kasi gutom kami. So we have to remain something for the dinner to celebrate the birthday of Franco. And here naghapit yun siya din sa Holy Eucharist. And then nag-pray siya, and I'm so very amazed because he know how to pray, and I'm always here to support him. And this time kami lang dalawa nagpunta sa church kasi ang duha niya kamanghod is nag-school, so I just asked the teacher na excuse mo na kami kasi papasama din ako sa kanya because meron ako appointment somewhere. And every time na kinukunan ko siya ng picture, video na ako, conscious na siya. So I noticed that he's growing up, and he is not this tall last year, and you know, time changes talaga. And guys, thank you po sa pag-subscribe. I'm sorry to my voice because I'm having a sore throat. Inom ako ng malamig na tubig kanina, ang init-init. And then here, nagsalo-salo na po kami. Magamay, madako. Always kami magsalo-salo. Thank you for watching po talaga, viewers, and thank you for subscribing as well to our YouTube channel. I really very much appreciate it, and God bless you all, and I hope that you always look forward to my new upload videos. And sorry kasi yung phone ko is year 2021 pa, hindi pa po talaga napalitan. So God bless you all, and I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung video ko, and yun, God bless you, and I hope you're all okay whoever you are na who's watching this. Na I really just want you to know that we really appreciate na meron talaga kami viewers, and meron talaga nag-view sa mga video namin, is lalo na grabe yung mga competition ngayon kasi halos lahat yata ng tao nag-YouTube na, diba? So ako, my YouTube is also my way of keeping memories. So that's it. And don't forget to like and subscribe po at Daphne and Victoria 777. Meron din po kami another YouTube channel na Victoria 888 na hindi ko masyadong na-update doon kasi nagawa ko yon yung na medyo na copyright strike ako once. Okay, so thank you po for watching guys, and God bless you. Mga unta, bon appetit!